Good morning to all, or good afternoon, good evening, whenever you're watching my channel. Please like and subscribe. Today we are going to learn first chapter, fourth standard English. How old is Muttaji? You will say, how old is Muttaji? Why this title is giving here? So first of all, we will read this chapter and see how old is Muttaji. Now warm up. For the pair, solve this riddle. Rajan is older than a Priya. Priya is younger than a Arav. Arav is older than a Isha. Ishi is younger than a Rajan but older than a Priya. Can you find out who is oldest and youngest are? So this question is given here. So we have to solve this puzzle. So might be you will solve this puzzle. If you don't get the answers are giving at the back of the chapter. Okay, so we will start this chapter. Before we starting this chapter, I want to tell you this is both this is the Aji Muttaji, who is known as a Muttaji. We will going to find out the age of Muttaji. We are okay. So we will start. It is January 2016. Putta and Putti, the twins, are visiting their Muttaji, great grandmother. They are called great grandmother as a Muttaji in a Mysore. She is living at the Mysore for her birthday. Might be she having her birthday and they visit to her. But nobody know how old Muttaji really is. Yes, her birthday is there January 2016, but they don't know how old is Muttaji is. So the twins decided to solve this mystery. The best moment they reached the old greenhouse in Mysore. The twins burst into Muttaji's room. Mysore, where is the Mysore? Mysore is the town. Or the burst into means enter the room suddenly and now known as a Mysore. Happy birthday, Muttaji. How old are you? Muttaji hugged the twins. How old I am? Am I? Who knows? How does it matter? But it does, cried Putta and Putti. So they are both are so very curious. वो दोनों बहुत ही curious है. And then suddenly they said कि we are very curious to know your age. But Muttaji says that is it really matter? I don't know what is my age. मुझे नहीं पता कि मेरी age क्या है. Then Muttaji smiled. Well, she said, I know that around 5 years before I was born. I know that around 5 years before I was born, our Maharaja went to the great grand party for the Indian Maharajas and Maharanis in Delhi. A British king and the queen had come to visit and our Maharaja got a gold medal. So she's trying to remember something. So that time she told them, see, I was born nearby 5 years before. That time our Maharaja, there was a Maharaja before. In the kingdom of India there was a Maharaja and Maharanis, and by somehow that Maharaja got the gold medal from British king and queen who visit to come our Maharajas, and he got the medal. Who was the king? Muttaji asked Putta. Putta was very clever, Putta and Putti. So he asked, who was the king? If you know, we can find out which year he visited. If he got the name, so he can able to find out which year he was visited. If we added a 5 years, so that we will know that when you were born. See, if we added 5 years to that, we will know when you born. Muttaji shrugged. I will forgotten Putta. Putta's face off. Face fell off means his expression shown that he was disappointed. What happened? She shrugged. Shrugged means he just up his shoulder and she just up his shoulder and say, I don't know where it is happened and I didn't remember. I was just forget his name and everything. So he said कि his face fell off, saying disappointed, I will not find his name. So how could I find the year? अगर नेम ही नहीं मिलेगा तो कैसे ईयर फाउंड करूँगा. वेट, said Muttaji. Let me see if I can remember something else. Ah, when I was about your age, 9 or 10, my uncle from Bombay visited us and told us about clean train. So she suddenly remembered something. उसको कुछ याद आता था मुत्ताजी. And she said, see, I was about your age, 10 or 19, 9. And that time I remember my uncle was visited to us from Bombay. That time they having a clean train. Clean train? Yes, Muttaji was excited. Now she very excited. Now why she excited? Because she remembered the what happened during that time. During that time period when her age was 9 or 10. They had started running in Bombay that year. You never got dirty traveling them. No black dust on your clothes or face. Why she telling here the clean train? Because earlier there was a train where they use steam train, and when we travel in that steam train, हम अगर उस steam train में travel करते हैं, then we our face and our clothes are getting dirty. But that time her uncle were visited to the Muttaji, and that time that train was started in the Bombay. You never got dirty. That is called clean train. The twins start at her. Now what happened? They started looking to her. Why would anyone get dirty traveling by train? Now they having a question. Might be you having a question. As I told you, आपको कोई क्वेश्चन आया होगा कि ऐसा क्यों कि ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करके कोई गंदा होता है क्या? ऐसा कभी होता है? No, it is not possible. Some year later, continued Muttaji. Some year later, continued Muttaji, I got married. I must have been 16. When she got married, she must be having 16-year-old. Then, very soon after my marriage, your Muttaja got a job in a Bombay, and we left Mysore. What happened? She was 16, and very soon after the marriage, the Muttaja was got the job in the Bombay, and they left the Mysore. Did anything important happen the year you got married, Muttaji? Asked Putta. Now Putta is very excited. He is asking so many questions. Again he asks, something else happened during that year when you got married? Yes, said Muttaji. Our Maharaja inaugurate our big dam. Inaugurate means, what is meant by that? Make the day something was introduced, opened for public use. Okay, now known as a Mumbai. Our big dam and the beautiful garden next to it during the Dasra festival. That time might be there was a Dasra festival, and dam exhibition, dam opening ceremony was there during that year. A big dam, Putta sat up. It is still there. Now he asked the question. If it is there, so we will get the answer in which year you got married and which year our Muttaja got the job. Muttaji laughed. Of course, it is the dam built across the Kaveri. Now that the dam was built on the Kaveri river. वो जो डैम है वो कावेरी रिवर पे बिल्ड हुआ है. Ajji put her hand around the door. Now what happened? There was a Ajji also. Putta Putti has a Ajji, great grandparents, and mother and father both. So now listen. Are you talking about KRS Amma? Now she must be know. अज्जी को पता होगा कि ग्रेट ग्रैंड मदर जो है किसके बारे में बात करें. मुत्ताजी टॉकिंग अबाउट विच डैम? Yes, Muttaji said, looking fondly at Ajji. Your Ajji was my 5th child and the youngest, but always smartest. Now she having a 5th child, maybe she having more child, but she telling that Putta and Putti, see, your Ajji was very clever and she is my 5th child. So she's saying that proudly. KRS is the Krishna Raj Sagar Dam, said Ajji, bringing in the bowl of vermicelli piazza. Vermicelli piazza means the kheer which you eat during the festivals and all. Muttaji's favorite sweet dish. That is Muttaji's favorite sweet dish. The Brindavar garden are the garden attached to it. Now they are talking about the garden. Before that they said that during there was a garden and our Maharaja having the opening ceremony for dam. So nearby there is a garden. So that garden is Brindaban garden. Garden attached to it. We went there last year to see the musical fountain. Remember? Now see, she is remembering something. Last year we also last year हमने visit किया था उसको. Musical fountain था कावेरी नदी पे, Brindavar garden. So she is giving the hint. The twins nodded. Now twins is nodded her head. हाँ पक्का. Said Puttai. Your plaza. Your plaza is the best, Aji. Plaza means the sweet kheer made of rice with the rice noodle. South Indian dish it is. When was the KRS built? Do you know, Aji? Now the question asked to the Aji. We will end here and we will continue in the next video. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe my channel.